Bike balancing, rolling jumps and trail pumping. We're upping our riding skills at Lantau's bike park right here on Drone and Phone.
So welcome to our last episode in Easy Bikes. I'm here at Mui Wo Mountain Bike Park. I'm here with Nick from Mountain Bike Hong Kong, also with Rob. I'll start with you, Rob. What are we planning on doing today?
We're going to have some fun in the bike park. Going to find out from Nick what are the best options for families with kids.
Okay, so just to explain, Nick has given us, he met us at the ferry pier. He's given us a ride up here, part of a service they do just to make things really simple. Nick, what are you going to suggest for us to do for a nice, easy day today?
Well, we'll probably start in the practice area behind us. You'll see there's a lovely little shaded area here where we'll take beginners or first-time riders out, get them comfortable. And once they've developed some basic skills, we'll go further up the hill to some blue and possibly some black trails if they're good enough.
Great, let's get going.
In this series, we're on a mission to seek out some of Hong Kong's easier bike routes. At first glance, the city doesn't look too appealing for less ardent riders, but we've managed to find 10 family-friendly rides on the easy side. Join us as we explore the routes on shared bikes, rental bikes, and our own two wheels. Today's adventure starts with a ferry ride from Central to Lantau. Arriving at Mui Wo, we meet our friend Nick, whose services we're using to rent bikes and get some expert advice on planning an easy ride around the bike park. Other companies and rental bikes are available in the area. Driving up South Lantau Road, it's only a 5-minute ride to a car park where we choose a bike from a range stacked in the pickup truck. With two picked out, Nick makes a few adjustments to fine-tune things and we're all set. It's a super hot day today, but thankfully it's not far to pedal to the park. Along the way we enjoy stunning views. Our first stop is the rest area to top up our water bottles and prepare for the ride.
Okay, so we've just ridden up from an area where we parked. Very short ride up a road, and we're here at the staging area where there are some facilities, water refill, drinks machine, toilets, all the things that you basically need. We're about to set off into the practice area where we're going to have a little bit of time to just familiarise ourselves with the bikes that we've picked up before we go on to the more tricky stuff. The practice area is a great way to familiarise yourself with basic bike trail features, learn fundamental skills and put them to practice in a safe environment. If you're new to mountain biking, all the features you're likely to encounter on a real trail, such as corners, climbs, switchbacks, downhills and rock gardens, are all found in this first section. Today is my first time to ride a full suspension bike. After a few laps of the practice area, I'm getting used to it. The area is perfect for beginners and not too challenging for my level, but clearly I need a bit more practice.
We got that.
But I did it perfectly 2 times. And then, but I need to.
Another loop or two later and I'm finding my flow. One skill set that's essential for mountain biking is developing a good sense of balance. The balance bar is going to help me do that, but isn't as easy to ride as it looks. And here goes. Undeterred, I'm going back for another go.
I think that's it. I'll give up on that one. I keep coming back.
So this is the cool thing, you could do this like
all
as
day.
many times as you want.
Yeah.
And it's in the shade.
Yeah.
Do you want to have one more go?
Okay.
And another.
That's it. Oh, right at the end. I think we'll consider that a win.
Now, that's what I'm aiming for. The trail here has 5 colour grades of white, green, blue, black and double black. With a good practice session under our belts, we head up along a mix of white and green trails to reach a blue one called Roller Coaster. It's very short and flowy with a rock garden thrown in for good measure. Total beginners might enjoy trying out the pump track before Roller Coaster. We're heading over to the pump track after a session on the jumps.
So we just completed our first run and now it's time to do a bit more training before we go on to the final run. So there's 2 things we're going to do. We're going to go over some jumps. We're just going to roll over the jumps, not going to try and actually jump them yet. And then after that we'll go to a pump track, do some pumping, and then we come up with our final go at the Italy Trail.
There are 3 lines of jumps. The beginner's line is to the left, while the other 2 are more challenging. Taking it easy down the middle one. The idea is to pick up some speed, roll up and into the first one, roll out and try to get into a flow. With some practice you'll soon be grabbing a bit of air on the crest of each one. With the pump track still left on our list, we make our way over there. It's one of those fun features that everyone can have a go at. The idea is to roll into the first dip with some speed and to keep going round for as long as you can without pedalling too much. This is done by using a pumping technique that helps propel you forward as you enter each dip. The skill can be used out on the trail for more efficient pedalling.
Wow, it's super hot day today, so all done now with our training, just the last little test. This one is called Italy. It's a blue trail, so we've gone up from a green to a blue. We're not going to get to black today. This is easy bike rides. So this will be my final challenge of the day. It should be a really fun one.
Italy is a blue trail, and at 1.3 kilometers, it's a decent length that packs in a variety of features found in the practice area. It's a little steep in parts, but a good change to practice your technical climbing skills. There are some stunning views up here that are difficult to beat. If you do stop to take a snap or two, pull your bike to the side of the trail so that other bikes don't run into you. We wind up the mountain a little further and weave through woodland before exiting into a descent that builds up speed quickly. Even taken at a slower pace, this is a great trail to build confidence on and a great one for us to end the ride on a high.
Well, that's it for this episode. A nice, easy one to finish and a good one for the summer because we were in the shade a lot of the time. How was it for you, Rob?
Always a great pleasure to come up here. It's balanced fun. You don't have to go down difficult things. You can take it easy if you want to. Yeah, great.
And Nick, any recommendations for families that want to come up here other than using your services?
Yeah, you can use rental bikes from the bike shops in Mui Wo, or you can get in contact with us. You know, there's trails for all level of riders, so you know, everybody's welcome.
Fantastic. We'll put Nick's details down below. Now, if you're seeing this for the first time, you're going to find all of our previous episodes nicely catalogued on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Robbie.
I'm Nick.
And this
It's
Drone and Phone.
Do the honours, Nick.
You gotta smash the thing. That's it.
Forgot about that with George.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, right at the end. We'll consider that a win.
I think I did better than Nick though, didn't I?
Definitely.
You know, mountain biking is not about competition.
What I say, Nick.